Alright folks, let's talk about something every Ford Ranger owner eventually realizes. Climbing in and out of your truck can be a pain, especially if you've got a lift kit or haul gear on the roof. That's where running boards step in, literally. Today, we're checking out the best running boards for Ford Ranger, covering everything from heavy-duty steel builds to slick, power-deploying steps. Each one's got its own perks, so stick around. And remember, all the product links are down below in the description. Let's jump right in. The Longsun running boards are all about practicality and durability. They've got a two-tier design that makes hopping into your Ranger or loading rooftop gear a breeze, even for the little ones or older passengers. Made from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel, each side handles up to 550 pounds without breaking a sweat. The black powder coating shrugs off rust and dirt like nothing. Installation? Straight bolt on, no drilling, and you're done in under 20 minutes. Plus, there's a 1-year quality guarantee and lifetime service support. Next up, the YZONA running boards. If your Ranger's rolling on lift kits or oversized tires, this one's your match. The dual stair layout gives you that extra step where you need it most, while the 6-inch drop step pads keep things easy and safe. Same tough 2mm carbon steel build, 550-pound capacity per side, and a slick black powder coat finish for long-term protection. Installation's a simple bolt-on job, about 20 minutes total. And with a 2-year warranty, YZONA's got your back if anything goes south. Now here's where things get fancy. The RealTruck Amp Research PowerStep. This bad boy automatically deploys when you open your door and tucks away when you close it. It's pure innovation in motion. Each 6-inch wide step supports up to 600 pounds, built from die-cast aluminum alloy with stainless steel pivot pins. It's got onboard LED lights for night visibility and an anti-pinch feature for safety. Installation might need a small drill hole or two, but everything you need comes in the box. Proudly made in the USA, backed by a 5-year, 60,000-mile warranty. This one's for those who like their tech and toughness rolled into one. The TAC Sniper running boards bring rugged reliability without overcomplicating things. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel with an E-coating and textured powder finish, they deliver killer rust protection and handle over 500 pounds per side. The wide non-slip step pads and 4-inch drop height make it easy to step in, while the molded pads protect your underside from rocks and debris. They bolt right on with no drilling, and all hardware is labeled for quick setup. Solid, clean, and built to last. Exactly what you want on or off-road. Finally, the Tyger Auto Rider steps keep it simple but strong. With their 3.5-inch oval tube design, you get a wider, more stable footing than most standard bars. The seamless carbon steel construction and heavy textured powder coating keep rust and water at bay, giving these steps a tough off-road look that lasts. Each board supports up to 500 pounds and installs in about 20 minutes flat. No drilling, no fuss. And Tyger backs it all with a 5-year warranty, which is hard to beat in this range. So there you have it. 5 awesome ways to upgrade your Ford Ranger's looks and functionality. Whether you're into the automatic tech of the Amp PowerStep or the rugged simplicity of the Tyger Auto Rider, there's a perfect match for every truck and budget. Remember, all the links are down below in the video description if you want to check current prices or specs. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more honest truck gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which running board you're rolling with.